Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again. So, a long time no upload guys. 2 months, almost 3 months na to guys. So, eto, mag-mission good shares update ang first one. Walang pagiging mimosa. Ayan. Pilates always looks so chill in photos when in fact, you are shaking everywhere. Kainis, laugh out loud, happy place forever. Next time video for more reels. So aabangan niya ng mga Paunin or Miss Janine Gutierrez fans soon. So abangan na lang natin yung mga pa-reels na pa-video niya. Then of course, di mawawala sa kanyang Myri ang kanyang doggy. So ayan, hashtag selfie. Janine Gutierrez is the unbothered queen. Sabi nga ng mga Paunin fans and mga fans ni Miss Janine Gutierrez, unbothered siya. Kasi despite sa issue ng hiwalayan nila ni Paulo, sabi nga ni Sir Ogie, sa kanyang YouTube channel is nag-split na naman daw yung Paunin guys. So ayan, yan. Sa mga issue na lumalabas, so ayan, yung ganap ni Miss Janine Gutierrez, nakatapos pa siya ng 2 films. So ayan yung pinost niya, nung February 9 niya pinost to. Just dropped 2 films with the team I've been dreaming of working with. So grateful for such an amazing experience. Thank you all. Until I'm allowed to share more here, a bunch of photos, nothing and everything at the same time. So bawal mag-spell. So actually yung in-upload niya yun sa kanyang Instagram. Sa mga nakakita na, well, gets nyo na yung ibig ko sabihin. Yung in-upload niya yan guys is yung location lang kung saan sila nag-taping sa 2 films na yan. So ayun lang guys. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love lots. Ingat kayong lahat. Kunting Miss Janine Gutierrez update lang po sa kanyang live update lately. So ayan. Well, yung best friend niya yan guys. Din rin yung boses ni Miss Janine sa ending. So ayan siya. So ito naman from a fan. So as a biotin ambassador. So ayan. Oh, pak. Ang pretty naman ni Miss Janine Gutierrez. So ayun lang guys. Ingat. Love lots.